man, so here we go on. This movie is called, right now again, Things We Hide, episode 2. But guess what? No one to understand, say, this is just bringing awareness. I know so we stay in our real life. You understand me? I say, so, but I say, boy, public, Jesus, cry mat, what on, and this and that. Because guess what? No, that's not our character in our real life. We just are doing movie to bring awareness and things that do happen in our real life. So, guess what now? More to watch the one and just know, say, things like these do happen. You know ready? Eh? You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, watch it. Remember now, you know, all of the people when you see the Marika, the Isis, the Bulby, the Pinky, the Brads, you know what I mean? I do them thing and I create them character within the movie. It's just a movie. You hear me say? Don't feel like see so we stay in a real life. You hear me say? So guess what? Oh, watch it.
The subscribe is free. The subscribe yet.
Bossy.
Baba.
Yeah, man. You want to talk with us?
Yeah, man, go this. Yo, I'm sure vibe, see? Right now, I'm pissed off, you know, because I guess what now?
Go on.
You know what I say? The package not get delivered properly.
How?
I don't know what I want. When I see the Brads.
You know, say from any time, I don't see him back, bossy.
You see my friend
I
time?
see him back from any time there.
I can't get him phone now. I don't know what I got. Something I go on there.
You know, say me the link ISIS. When before ISIS go drop off the package and ISIS say man go drop off the package, you want me circle ISIS or what?
Yeah, man, you wait know. Nobody act suspicious.
No.
I want to know exactly what I want.
Yeah.
Because my last person, I talked to him before, you know. And tell him to drop off him, have everything, have his bag, everything. So I don't understand what real. Like right now, I'm confused. You understand me? I say, this a boy who come tell me some stuff. I have to just make him know so like that. You understand me? I say, I'm not like to feel them weird, you know. Because them a thing to draw feds and draw police round me.
What we do?
Eh?
Go for him.
That you have to go do. Check him, but check him on one level where he don't really understand what I'm going.
Okay.
Ask him, find out what I'm going.
I can't come dead or alive, man.
Nah, man, you want me? Yo, cause we need the money, you know.
Then that's why I say, what you want me do?
Just
Talk to me no
find
boss.
out the information first. Find out what I go on if him drop off it for real.
Who that?
ISIS.
Yeah.
So when you know that, then we can know which part and how we are dealing with stuff.
Alright then.
You understand me? I say, cause I don't know since what 2-3 days now. Yo, it's a feel strange, brother. You need the money, you know. Cause even Pinky are going crazy. We don't have to think about some stuff like she want to buy a car. Eh?
Remember, say me did tell her, say, didn't link me already.
Oh, you want to tell me for sure? Yeah.
I'm tell her,
And what you say?
tell her, say, me have things to deal with. So me didn't get feet. You see me?
Deal with it fast. Me just easy myself. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. It's a thing I get to my head now, man. How this can happen in them time, man. All them things can happen. Next thing you know, I have to do with business. You get me, I say? Take your time, man. You're not gonna fall.
No, man, good.
You are going now. I don't know. Today's not a good day at all.
Why is that?
I'm going to promise myself to take you on a little course for the place about me. I tell you, God, I'm sure you can't work out today. Some stuff, you know, like I come out of the way and I'm sorry for you. You know.
What is perfect?
You know, sometimes in life, you drink some stuff and you have to feed. And then call it now. Like, you know when I said up your drink with you? Yeah, I did. I that man. What? I want you.
No.
I want you.
The drop.
You drop?
Yeah, my drop and me and foot.
Look like a beat, your beats, man. I say left one I use, you know. You still a fight?
No, I'm not fight. Me fell on my hand just.
You fall, it's nice.
Yeah.
Well, then I go already. They're going to give you a go and enjoy yourself. But you know, I'm sorry, but today's not a good day. Here, I don't want to put it on and put it off. I say, meet me down here, so you know, the boat keep me from the yard and so forth. So.
Really? That means you never prepare?
No, man. As I said today was a sorry, man. Sorry about that.
But this is nice.
Nice, don't you? Take a look at this. I'll show you what I'm going. You see?
But you afford something like this?
I afford something like this, sir. You don't work hard, you know. You're hard worker. Nice. Picture so connected to Black River. You know, I think sometimes we do the boat and run great, but you know, like since 2 days now you're there, problem, you don't know. But I wonder if because me so connected to the connection of you and love and why you do this to me? Why you do this to me? Why are you here? What the real reason you're here, America? Tell me, man, tell me the truth. Talk to me now. Ow! I forget your hand. Sorry. Take off the cast and fine.
Yeah, because you drop out.
Let's go care, go hospital and doctor, private doctor, something sort of. Yes? But you're sweat. Are you mess?
No. You want me to go back? Because you're asking me why am I here, like...
No, it's like, no.
You feel offended, right?
No, please don't feel
feel
offended. No,
bad.
don't feel bad. Don't feel bad.
That may be the wrong thing if you come back.
No, it's not about that. It's about me right now. Some things have, something that circle me, something that happened, something me don't know, some energy. Me don't know. I have to find out because you know some are going bad in my business. I know
Listen,
business is business for me, you know.
You know me as a person you can talk.
You understand?
Always sit down and listen to your talk. So talk to me, let me know what's really going on, what happened.
You sure?
I'm sure.
You can trust you like always.
Trust me.
Hope to die. Stick a name in your eye. Jesus Christ. You still having shake on it?
Yeah.
Remember them? Alright, so I'm going to go slow some now. That's good time. But we can't bother go for the this. Yeah?
Alright, that's fine. Bro.
You sure?
We have to work on.
We just find so anyway, man. You know, so we have money, we do anything happening, you know. Eh? You know what I'm saying? Go. Public my name, you know. Let's go. You know my boat?
Yeah, how long?
4.5 million. 4.5 million.
Ay,
oh.
Use one.
Really get this shit down.
Go on.
You look off the package of boss, you tell us to look off the friend.
This package I'm took up for them,
The package they pick up from down at this name.
with the thing them in
Yeah.
there. Of course, I'm gonna put in a brags on, man. And brags have a boat out there, so they wait for him, man.
Brother, right now, when I see it, be a foolishness are going for chewing on my boy.
Mm.
This morning, me and see boss with dash sitting in the river, you know,
Yeah,
the
man.
boss is mad, you know.
What do you mean that is something?
Be things are going bad, man. Right now, to me see it come like say some kind of mind game play are going, bro. And watch out.
Where's the go? Where's the really going?
Yo, thing I can tell you if you do. So as I left from where they now, go check bossy.
Wait, you tell me about package.
Yo,
Wait, tell me, say, package and reach.
package and reach it, you know.
Hmm.
Package and reach it, you know.
Watch out now. Wait, store come to bomb. Me not tell if you not trust them. Although me say me not be corrupt, what me not tell us them a grow the thing. Me not tell her. Me not tell her. So what you know? Me not tell her. How much more month now you go wait. See that?
Me say,
I see me then go in.
bossy.
I see me then go.
Oi,
I see me then
come
go.
like you know hear me I tell you say. Bossy mad right now, bossy want dash you everything. Go check bossy in on my friend.
So you say, boss, if you say boss, you pray me.
Then no yam breads I last man hold the package, my friend.
No man and bread, I last one with the package.
But
Me and bread.
brother, it come like two things said. It come like say.
Hmm.
To me see it, it come like say. You need link back bossy from you check the top of package. No.
No.
At that, bad man,
Hmm.
go check bossy out.
I'm sure something now. I'm sure something now. All the things I've got that we don't know about. Yeah. If I look into this now, Zane, just tell me say a coincidence, my friend. As me, they plan to do for one thing. You see them going with the package, you know. I say, think it coming there with a B1. Me don't know, you know. First, me say again in my life, you know. But me take first with my bag, you know. I'm like, him a try grab on from bag, like him a try go in and bag, you know. Think I'm a try share, and I be a laugh, think you laugh with me. You know, you can't tell me it's a thing, miss up. I say, from when me tell us a thing now run right, from when I not feel good energy, bro. I know goods missing as new woman there on the sea. Matter of fact, when you see Brad there,
Then me try to tell us when I see breads, you know where breads them. Bossy want bossy say, what you know
What's the pinky?
bossy, listen me, bossy say me to come to you and make sure say everything.
so it's me, but I say pray.
You know, like, bossy now pray my dog. Bossy just want to know say everything good with you. That's why bossy send me over here to you. Bossy send me to make sure say you
Yeah,
talk.
but I see pray me still in the dark.
You know,
I'll do my child do my little thing, you know, we still rate it down, you know. So the man, a
Brother.
mad man, my friend.
Brother, me a try
No.
show. Well, you know, you
Yeah.
see what you know. Right now,
Brother, have the money on full side there, you know. But I don't mean do nothing wrong. The bigger man
Go
try
check
show.
bossy, dog.
But right now, Brad's slim as Pinky there, put up on the scope.
Definite, bro.
I mean, tell us that
I don't know.
the new girl that I mean,
But
no.
I think bossy and make bossy more face side of the story. I don't know, me only can tell you this now, you know. Because you see, true, me don't know, so me don't have no package, and me
Like
make
how
bossy
this
know, so
one
me let
now.
off the package for you.
Like how this going now. You want to know if I still have a problem. Then you make it 5 million and you get it 3 million. Because people already
Go check bossy. Watch out now, me and you chat. Check bossy.
Right, so you see it? You should listen to me. I got so ready still.
You forget some lactose.
You don't eat ice cream, problem with that idea. Eh? Enjoy your cream, man. Feels like good old days, eh? So, I have to apologize again. So sorry if you can't really take it on it, you know, because when you want to see, you have to have some serious meditation. My mind don't really depend on certain things. I know I'm making a mistake. I can't make a mistake for this. You understand? So that's that. But how are you doing?
I'm good.
Doing good, eh?
Yeah, we just come down for you. As we said, we come down for you.
I know mistake can play the part. Like I talk it, I'll be a sweet mouth you give me like when you feel special and you know what I mean, like you want to put up, you know, them you know, them good butterfly feelings, you know, really take it. Cause yeah, you know, some love you long time. Of course you feel good, but I wonder if you, you know, how much you can take it because you're not used to it. You know what I mean? So it's that. You know what I mean? A lot of times I do something and I tell them God the truth. You know, really do them something and if you do them something that means it really means something to me.
Well,
You understand?
well, that's true, but when I hear you talk about that, when you talk about you,
When talk about it,
what
that's
happened
good.
to you?
Yeah, as we say, some things are going right now what I mean that we can't understand. Like, you know, the business may have everything under control. For some reason, you just get to one place where things are going, you know? Right. The phone ring. So you have man. You have man.
No,
You have
I'm
man.
not man.
So your phone ring and you decline the call.
No, I'm a cousin.
Because they call it.
I never tell her, say me and you.
Alright. That's a big case in the understand. Ring again, you know, so you know, feel away again and so forth. But yeah, alright. So enough about me. What about you? What have you been doing since you left and go a town and all them something like that? You know, you just come back with a physique like you're fit. You know, track and field are your police.
Huh?
Eh? Me I say a track and field because you know, are they a soldier? Track and field are your police. Is either either because you know,
You
me
just check and feel when we are in college.
you track and field?
Yeah.
So you don't know what kind of work you do
What
know.
kind of work I do now?
Yeah, it's a standard question. I don't know why you keep smiling to me. I feel like, you know, it's, you know, you're a prostitute and that.
What? What kind of style that?
Enough people, you know, what I'm doing, you know, them have normal days and the nights them kind of,
I know
and
people
cold and
busy.
rated and, you know.
A therapy people.
You therapy. Or you're a therapist. But if you break down therapist, you know, and put it in a syllabus, you know, you get the rapist. You get the rapist. Alright. That's nice though. That's good. But you never know, so you don't like the profession about them. That doesn't sound like a you that.
Well, in life, when you work towards something, things happen, so you just change career sometimes to something different.
You know what I believe? We believe say if you do what you love, you don't work a day in your life. That's what I believe. And you know you're always, you know, I want to say now, the investigation thing and you know, you're more a person who you know to get answers and you know, seek out and search out and more to like if you try for tongue police. Try it man.
I
You
was
work out.
trying, but it never worked out.
But you know if the tongue police make you a friend, none at all. Not everyone know you. You understand? And if you know that.
I know that.
Yeah. See, so there's no say.
So that's one of the reasons why I didn't change career.
Because of me?
You become find out certain stuff for you, so
Give me a financial support. That's so now you've been investigating me as a private what? What?
as a private investigator.
Talk to me now, man. You've been finding what stuff about me, like if you have a girlfriend or
Yes, if you have a boyfriend, what you've been doing.
poor mother part, man. You know, really, as I said, we do have a girl 1 and 2 times, not nothing serious, you know. Then come start your service man and stuff, you know. No, I'm gonna be honest. So imagine this now. To be truthful or to tell lies, you shouldn't prefer. Truthful. So nothing is truth out the back. You know, make you feel like say, you know what I mean, At this time, I don't do this. The ice cream is cool. You know, eat up the ice cream a bit, no?
Oh, true, me
Yeah.
say, but
I'm not saying ice cream is cool, but it's not that. You see, you told me I eat that. Oh my god.
But really and true, what kind of work you do?
You know me, I'm a hustler. I'm for the streets. From man, you know, see me as, you know, do things in such a way where, you know, if me have 10,000 more, I can make 40. Again,
Sorry.
you have to tell, hey, you have to tell her I say Pinky at that one. You have to tell her when you gone on dates, leave you alone.
You never tell her something.
You want to tell her? I just say, in life, I just say you have to just do your heart is that. And if you say a therapist, the rapist,
I'm not a rapist.
just
I'm
be
just a
yourself.
therapist.
But let me say, me now, let me say, my hustle, me have 10,000, I want 40,000. I think it's to make it is the streets. Let me say the streets mean like, you know, call me an entrepreneur. What is that?
That sounds great.
That's all good. Yeah.
So you're your own boss, sweet though.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go team, man. I'm gonna go team, man. You know, make sure everything organized and balanced.
Do what did I say? A guy at the house.
Which house?
I think the house. Like him come home pick up some stuff.
You were there at that time?
Yes, I was there.
Mm-hmm. What kind of stuff you pick up? This is every time police. You feel just turn police and
But
that.
when he was passing, I just barely touched his back, but he take it really offended.
You was offended?
I don't know why.
Alright, you know what? We have to go maybe reschedule because you know what? We have a little, as we say, you know, today was not a great day, you know, but you know, how about we continue the next time?
I don't like this.
No.
No, I don't like this.
Why you don't like?
Like from when come my boat here, tell me it's not a great day.
Yeah, but it's not for
Literally,
real.
Like I've been here what 2 weeks now, and I literally don't have no time at all.
Yeah, because
I have this day with you now, and tell me say it's not a good day. Like
tomorrow.
I don't know.
Tomorrow, baby.
I'm
We change my
trying to-
clothes. Make you know me feel uncomfortable and I do something. So I'm gonna take a shower.
And then when tomorrow,
Oh my God! I forget all. You see, this is not a good day. We see it again. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Let me finish. Come on. I promise to say tomorrow I'll make it better for you. All right.
if I say so,
But today I'm gonna say.
I'm gonna take your word for
Take
it.
me one further. Take me one further. Which I mean, blood up. So I mean,
Oh, you what?
it's like you know, stuff. It look like a blood up. Yeah. We talk, yeah. So just text me when you reach home. I will take it from you.
No problem.
All right.
Later.
All right. Yeah. All right, sis.
Teacher. Come here, let's call it and show me a agreement. I say, we can't believe I really come. Yeah, say thing them not reach out now. I know.
I'm telling you, bro, because right now, I tell you, say, things kind of set away in my brain, man. I trust people, I give people the avenue for they make a food and build a band and build a team. I don't know what I'm going. You know what I mean? Because it's there when they link me and say I got drop off the bag. You drop off the bag.
Drop off the bag in my man hand.
In your hand.
Remember say man did the bounce and I tell me say yo, if you hurry up catch you they might wait for him come.
You went junk.
Well, I'm not going to say junkie, but in a beat a one special. I'm not going to say the junk, but I see that one special in my hand, you know. But watch me say there now, bossy.
Remember, me tell you, you know, you go up on the block and me see unknown object, you know. Remember, me tell you, you know.
You say unknown object on the black road, so.
Wait, I lie. Me not tell
So
you.
hold on, so hold on.
Remember, me ask you, say, yo, if you imply nobody knew,
Yeah, that you tell me.
I think me see that unknown object on the black man, that's why me not try to inquire about it, but me not want to say that to you. I'm saying, me know say head cheap already.
But how she look? How she look? She.
A little short, he kind of short and he kind of brown, you know, really. Little bit darker than me.
I hear dread up like flat up.
Yes. And she kind of thick, a little body teen, I'm about to train now. He knows you. I say, me pass him with my bag. Full of goods, you know. If you want to let like he want to pull my bag, I'm going to shake him up. But the truth is that I forget chick, I feel just laugh it up. Come and say, oh, there's a girl, what am I doing that? I remember I said, I have a thing for me, and I'm going to wheel off. But then again, remember I said that crime scene on the ends.
You understand?
But the truth, I know at the end of the day, you try to bring same as in a thing. I don't want to tell her that now, if you get upset against her, that I'm going to try find out what is what. But right now, you're going too far. Can you tell me, say, goods not reach?
Yeah, goods not reach, and they say everything stop right now. Come here, I said to myself, say, how that we go on? Yeah, because you know, me have to go now, digging in my pocket now if you get extra. You understand me? I say, and that me never depend.
Yes, Brads.
How did him know I find right now?
Boy, I tell me, say, no see him now.
Boy, say, no see him?
Boy, say, no see him. From the family, let it after him. Boy, say, no see him back. Yes, he Pinky.
And she make a link right now.
From me, no see. But then again, I just say, me not to link up unless I say we for linking, okay? I know full style, yeah.
Exactly, timing, yeah.
I don't see that I want to need that only somebody me say about me and you. I know the unknown object. I mean, I tell us when I tell me the reason the one Brads, he might tell me say no. In clean and in a thing. So when I tell me when they feel mad, but I say team say your boss no link you. I say your man boss link him on some style. You see me? So right now, I tell you to pray nobody in a father. Right now I have to pray them two the plus the unknown object. I never name for you. But I dig your road. I find out to the object that day. Really, I find out to him.
Today, I find out today. I'm going to talk about later on.
No, that's it, man.
We're going
to make 2 calls and 2 connect.
Do it now, man.
You get my sure?
You better do it. Because I tell us right now. You remember Blinko?
Mm-hmm.
I have to wipe him out now. I know you fish them feed off him right now. Yeah, because you don't know anything about this somebody right now. Because I don't really want to excuse me and give right now. Because money, nobody can give me an excuse. They come out to money.
No, you say results.
You answer me, I say.
Yourself,
so I try to show you, say, do your thing and make sure you link. I say, Bulb link him.
Man, link me already because you Bulb link. So you link this man when I tell me like a joke. You know the man love friendship.
Yeah.
But them realize, say, man serious for me. So I say, bad man, what's that for me? You know? So right now, know where yourself, father.
Alright, what do you know?
And the object they need to identify.
Yeah.
So if you go a father now. So yo, I make a link, you know.
Do it, man. Do it.
Right.
Do it.
Oh,
yeah. I want to know how hard it is to earn money. Now, them at time if you lose it, Brads want to see.
So me not try come.
Very more I can call. More I can call.
My job, Alex.
I don't know. Call the boy. From the jail and everything. Understand everything already. Yo, Bobby, what go on, General? Oh, I know some forward out. Oh, back again, man. Prodigal son out. Now somebody put my block. But not tell me that to the check. I just want to hear what I tell me about boss. I will check me first. I can tell me about boss. I don't understand why I'm going in the jail there. You don't understand I feel like Captain Powder House in the jail there. Eh? I must lose my life in the jail there, boy. A couple of my dogs have to save me in the youth. You not even know, you know. Check me. Right now. I'm wait long enough, brother. Alright. Come on, I church you, that's all. Alright. See what take place here? Eh? Say me get locked up. The boy in chat on 2 plant tree. Eh? So they are jail lock up. I'm left the one there shoot and the one there almost fit. I get sunburn. Jesus Christ. Oh, there's a thief, man. Yo, what one, Bobby? What going on? Yeah. Brother, I'm 7 plant tree and trap me, you know, 7 plant tree. But let me 3 plant tree and got jail, brother.
You know, say na real, come on.
What you say? Oh, that's all that's not bun me.
You know, more I see you.
You know long you want to see me?
Yo, Max, go on to the package.
Package, boy, you come and but you don't long me there jail youth.
And that me send you.
Listen me I say. Listen me I say no. I wala uno.
Wala uno.
I wala uno. Cause we are poor street. And listen me to chat man.
Boss you want to see.
Listen me I say. No me tell about boss. Cause me there jail not care nothing come give me bad man. You understand? Me there jail long bad man. Over almost 2 months. One care come give me.
Go on to the package.
Brother, me left everything I road go now.
You left everything.
Me left everything. Watch I know no. Watch I know. When time I'm going to deliver the package. You know some police here run up on me. You know that.
So make your name call and
brother, me can't make no call. So this everything off of me I must cut
no,
off my tongue, brother.
But you get a right to make a phone call.
Get a phone call, when for use make a phone call. Half a what? When for go? Full phone. I don't know me not like use people phone and make call already bad man. And boss not like answer strange call. A strange number. So what me for do? Brother, me feel like you come and come tell me say,
so what you have to
listen me I say no brother.
All of that packets sitting there. What you have? What you going to forget back? Because right now, no, my dog, right now, your life for your family, everything in a jeopardy right now.
But that you say?
May I tell you?
Anything, you know.
Yeah,
What listen me I say no? Anything, cause what? Man, they are jail and you not come and talk about package. When you remember somebody they are jail, when they are make money. When you remember that, and I laugh and I feel like a joke, bro.
So what you say? Nah, get back that.
Brother, me not say nah get it back. But you have to wait some time, bad man, until me circle back on the package something bad man. Cause mix up a one, bang around a one. Some set up a one, somebody on the block, you know. We are inform or something. I try instigate something, brother. The block are run loose.
Let me ask you one question. You know say same day when you get the package, and me go let you have a slims yard, and me know when ISIS come and make me know say you have a care package on your foot.
Yeah.
So how them they running for me or she? Or you
Brother,
get the running?
listen to me I say. I want you to circle in a place there, you know. I'm say the thing I now go on normal, you know. I don't know if ISIS not tell you. ISIS not tell you say one look female on there, I move around the place. I feel up strap and I search bag and I search place. ISIS never tell you that. Brother, I look like you set me up to bad man.
Set you up.
What you mean? You set me up. I don't know what I can turn around for me now. Like say me a bad one.
Watch out now.
Eh?
One thing I tell you now, my dog. Makes sense to run from today.
Dog, me not running now. Cause watch no man, eye for your eye, anything. You understand me? Just come out of prison, you know. I just prison, jail. You have to say jail and prison, I see him thing. I see him cell. You get me? But, as what me I say, anything, brother. But just come out of jail, I'm not saying who no. It's a way a friend. We are do things, I'm not if you can give me pull or water, nothing like that. How can a friendship no be, bro? We're not no friend. Just when I get back on thing, I'm going to cut on off, bro. Let's say that right now. The cut link, the cut ties, the cut friendship. Jail teach me. I'm good and dead.
Big up yourself, you know. Watch
The way I
out
do
now.
my friend, man. The way I do long and short cut, you know. Remember that.
Yeah, man, I hit me to make you know.
Yeah, man. It's time of the master, man. Here, believe. Time on God. God and time. Can't believe the media just want to talk about package. Eh? Before you feel thank God to come out alive, so you can sing and talk to me. But man, God tell any night pronounce. But man,
nice guys. Oh, yeah, we are looking for nice guy. We are looking for.
A be a grown thing, brother. Me say my meds, me there say meds dog. I actually if you know you.
You know, say Mrs. Brads.
Hmm.
I tell them about Indy get locked up and he say no man.
But take man for food.
Ask him what go
Take
on
man for
fee.
food. Lock
Ask
up.
him what go on fee package.
Hmm. What's some paper?
Him na not good way. Cause me ask him for package, all he give me a steady, stable answer, you know. I tell me say, woman, they don't have slims and yo. He must tell me what you tell him say, you know. I don't know if you have any reason, you know, me dog. I tell me say, you do good on a slims and woman go in your bag and try go in.
Wait, no man ain't getting about. What's your name? So wait, you ask him about the package.
And I
tell you about me.
For you.
So I say I'm take package, I don't know.
And I tell me say,
Okay.
like the police them take you and
Which
one
police?
Them even don't know. I tell me say one
Police.
girl with slims apart with one girl with slims apart with say I be a strange face step on black and one bag of something and I be a set up business and look suspicious cause you see me
Tell this man.
brother.
The boy I share this is for number one. So I go to number one, he might tell me say him not in something again. So that alone me not pray me. When I say boss no link him, I say yes, but watch out now. Me not trust a boy.
You
trust him, man.
I go tell me about now. You must make sure say we go make we get back all of it, but watch out now. We have to go avoid him because what?
Sorry. Wait. Me not understand film story. So if police take it from him,
And you must make we get
he gonna make we get it back.
Yeah.
How when we get it from the police and give away?
That me
So
and
if he is an informer to the police them, or him and the new girl what the pan black what there. Plan out with pink if he thief the thing. See, it's either him is a police informer, or him
something.
the unknown object, and Pinky plan up on thief shipments. Because from Pinky chat say he want carry. And when me chat say he want carry, that how long with the and we can buy a bike and that girl come and see what that thing that makes not try to show somebody that be a style, my style the thing, but we believe in them too much.
I don't believe in them.
No, no.
I don't believe in them. Remember, you know, them pick me up, put back on my foot one time. Then
But
you know
but
to you.
But you thought you sound like you believe God saying God Jay, but I don't believe
No,
that.
I can't believe him, brother. I never tell us I believe him right now. Bossy head mad round there, them dog. Right now, I be a things are going on, my friend.
Right now, to a boss head mother and boss want to kill something right now. If I go kill Brad, you know, show the boss me kill something.
Yeah, man, kill him.
I'm not going to on the wrong side of that.
Yeah, tell him, say, yo, you're not go to boss. Go to which boss? You know, this is boss and one bag of something. Him just make get back the goods them and then I just avoid him.
But it's fact still remain, me dog. Oh, we go get the goods if police take the goods.
Brother, right now, me there.
So you share the boy there, and the boy there making no money right now. So for page a boy there. Because I'm not going to sit down and make boss premium academy. Watch it now.
You go to boss and you tell us go chat to boss.
No, man, I run a prof. I'm chat to boss, man, but when I chat to boss, I show boss pre-work like an unknown object. But I run a program. I just show me to get the information yet. We're so far to the unknown object. Then I know if you hide and run, go, man, I just take one time. And this is a brother. Me dey wait pan to pay the man. If you don't work for me, boy, so me can go to my own business. And see if you want to stand with them, I stand with them. Yeah.
You know?
Right.
As you say, brother, I believe in what you say.
Still. So you say like on board.
Man, you have a look something.
You say like on board.
Yeah, man.
On board.
Hey, me don't know.
Colombia, you know, man.
You don't know yet, me dog.
No do me that, man. Cheat me, man. Cheat me. Fine. I'm not stressed, man. Got good news with them. Oh, gosh, man. Don't tell them yeah, man. That's two things. Got good news and bad news still. See me? I said them say Brad come from jail.
So Brad's gonna jail?
You don't believe that? I watch him tell Bulby say him gonna make we get back the goods. But when you get back the goods, you know, deal with it. If you avoid it.
We mean that deal.
Wait no man, you know hear nothing yet. Him tell Bulby say police take a good shot in. After something now bossy. If police take a good shot in, but you don't get it back from police if you leave.
But which police take it from you?
We don't know about that yet, but you may say, remember me tell us say, hand on object on the spot. We don't put out so little thing from that time. All the bad news now is that information reach me. So get the picture and everything, I just everything, they can't escape. Alright, now me feel like say.
Yo, I want to understand how I'm going.
Yo, object.
Eh?
And Brad's plan out. I feel the member say no, from when Pinky the boss say one car.
So if he say, this a pinky set up
I'm
it.
not going to say my love if he say cheer them because this unknown object that feel up my bag like say Pinky that tell him something about my transaction because we're say interested in my bag in the first place. You don't know you don't know me. Pinky, me not say Pinky from that when you first see her. Bro, just tell me say I come from jail, but what really catch my attention father? If you say police take it goods, or you go
Get it back.
Figure me. Tell me now, man.
I want if they know what I deal with. Eh? I want if they know who I deal with, brother.
If you want to take your business here, I fix things.
Nah, man, me deal with man. Yo, I'm a man like this, and I'm like every people. I won't give me excuse.
I joke thing, but me tell you a result to it deal with.
Well, that me I say, man.
But me tell you we soon get the result of who that I know.
Listen, man. Right
You
now.
can't escape, you know. Remember, a couple people in the road know him as Pinky cousin. Couple somebody well say yes, Pinky cousin come back then from where they have some style. So watch out now. You get everything, you get every information. Know yourself, father.
Hold on.
First, you come on.
You know, surprise, I have a little sister. Yeah, man, little sister. Right now, only thing me I pray right now.
Get rid of it.
No, man, I get rid of it. I want to use that as fluid, you know what I mean?
Advantage.
Yeah.
So hold on, Conrad.
One more if you do is get her.
Bring her yourself.
Bring her yourself.
Alright, tell you how long, get Bulby. And get that child. Now fix this.
Right away,
Result.
right away.
Billy.
Yeah, to me, it's just a whole monopoly game. Quick and fast!
Are you near Whitney?
Yes.
You Whitney?
Yes.
Brad, your big brother. Come here, I want to talk to you.
You what?
Come here. Oh, no, tap in eyes. Dead or alive, you move faster today, you know.
Yeah.
Tap in eyes. Brad, your big brother. What else I see your big brother?
This morning, when we go to police station.
Where you go?
We go to police station because
You say you want to lie at them too. You want to lie at them too.
No.
But which police station? Brad's in their jail.
Yes.
A full take man for.
No.
Oi.
Yes.
Come like you get piece high money.
No.
Come on, get up. Oh. Sit down.
Wrong.
What in boss? Boss, I got you.
Where's the guys that going on? Who's the guys that going on? You know what you're doing? Eh?
Oh, you sit down.
It's someone. Yo. That's a good question. See? Your face alright? Your face alright? Alright, here we go. Brads, he's not a bad person. Maybe we start on the wrong. Hey, you talk, look up on me. Maybe we start talk on the wrong face. See?
Boss, I want to chat about things of the brother jail today.
She.
You know about the money. You're sorry for him.
Alright, watch your ass.
She said, if you kill me, can't come and
Watch your ass. You are one. See? Me a kind of person where me not do badness and me don't like beat up woman and certain things, but me get me I lose it because me lose $4 million. See? And your brother make me lose it. You hear me say? You see brothers come in the yard with no bag, no knapsack. You hide. You show say yesterday, can't yesterday. Alright, you must say now, when you confused, when you get confused, when you talk to me straight, when you see him, the last day you see him, where you say jail man come from? Eh? Alright, so you want to tell you which part we go after that? You shame you?
Yeah, a lot of people talk for me and one go say me can't
Bull answer. Alright. Alright, so you don't see him from after that? You sure? Alright, I'm gonna make you leave my presence and you see me when you call the road and then TikTok something where you talk about your post on TikTok. Hey, look what me I talk to you!
Look at the man.
You see if me ever hear you post on TikTok and social media about this right now, me personally, look back! Me personally I come to you. You get what I say?
Boss, you know for left on the island.
No, I'm going to left now.
Or see, but he jumped there, you know, man. So cut off it and
No, not today. So, if you see Brads come, tell him to call me right away. Right now. You get what I say? Tell him say him boss. See? You get what I say? Get up.
go on. Find your way. It's your last. We're busy about it.
Give me encouragement.
Once you need to walk a piece across it, then, man.
Alright. So,
Really and truly.
No at all. But you are going now. I know me for the man. Just wait for the phone call.
Don't tell him. Because I'm hungry. We will fix things, you know.
Everything good. Me deal with it, man.
Yeah, man. Curry and brown stew down, man.
That is it.
Yes, man.
So I deal with everything and start out officially.
Obviously, boss, result.
Right away.
You still get the object information, man.
No man, it's an object that never idea what I'm going. So don't worry yourself. I gotta fix things and things are clear up today. So by weekend we can say boy we back on target and everything up already. See?
Alright.
So do your thing.
So you're going for board nights.
No worry about I'm saying worry about that part. Respect, you do your work.
You did it.
That extra 500,000, yeah?
Yeah, that's so nice.
Alright, okay.
Say nothing.
Yeah man, right, that's it. Yeah.
They say I won't make it if they can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you.
Working time, me see a working time. So me I go pull pan line. Me shall catch egg. I'm gonna work my dream and we're going.
Disappear from when that.
I'm gonna say a jail me there in a part. I'm gonna say a jail me there, but lock up a jail.
Jail me there is jail.
What do you mean? Call me lock up a jail, brother.
So you're in a preacher jail, man. I'm on the boat to record this Saturday.
From boat. What you know? What do you get the package? Until I bag of something go on my yard. I look at police come and stick me up, brother. I feel like I sit up go and lose for my friend. You see me? I say.
I'm not confused.
I say.
After me get thing I said.
Yes, brother.
Police come and
Look after you ride up on the bike, bad man. I running for my brother. You think me dead? Me here, stick up freeze. Me say, don't move. Put your hand on your head, boy. Look around, I want a girl in America, brother. So my CIA, my detective or something.
America.
Yes.
No, nobody names that.
One shot girl and you like a child and you get serious. You don't know the girl ex. You never see her yet.
Yeah, but nobody names that.
Me I tell her about brother. I tell her she's short and thick. And I don't come like a child.
Brown.
Yes, in brown and short. I don't know if I
Marcus,
fancy locks in having or what she having, but in having something.
Like a braids.
Yeah, brother. I say you gonna want to cut out my tongue.
But for your height.
She
And short time.
short arm. Short arm. Yeah, brother. Yeah, me really want a bag of things are going bad, man. You know what I say?
Just a pinky.
Pinky. Brother, I don't see nobody want smart me see, you know. I'm come out, you know.
Oh.
A Bulby. I be a badness Bulby I link me with. I mean, know say your boss want to see me. So I make you know say me say see black up a J brother. If the bull on no care come give me a water. Nuh-uh.
But nobody knows.
And just turn the back for a man so bad man.
Man not turn the back, but nobody say jail, brother.
So all matter why packet. We could have did it.
But we feel like already run off for the package.
You know me just coming out and do them thing bad man. You know it already. Upon the work me there. You have for us right now. So I go on. Badness not pay, you know. The street not make for me. The street not make for everybody. Probably make for you.
But you mess still. One time me hate me, them make a talk, say you can't get back your thing. You can't get them back.
Why? If I go find out somebody who link with a police girl or something, I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know nobody who link with her and no link, brother.
Oh.
I don't know on the street, brother. You can make program and make some link, brother. I find out what is what.
Watch his style. Marika. When you mess out familiar.
Yeah, man. Link one of your bad girl, man, and link somebody, man. I'm gonna link my sister.
See your sister know him?
Then you should have put that know him, because I don't know, you know. I don't know, but link somebody. Yeah, brother.
But
Link.
for your sister, I must like me still in that. I'm saying, I fear people are too green in that.
That again.
But
So you know what?
don't kill up yourself.
Do you hang the bang like up on the work, my friend?
Just want to know say you're good in a
Yeah,
one
man.
piece, you know?
Good man.
Don't stress yourself, man.
Nah,
Friend,
stress
you
yourself,
don't
but-
forget nothing.
But you know me a loyal G, you know, bad man. And
Right.
me no switch and me no turn, you know.
Can't
Understand?
believe, but they say
Loyal.
police,
Yeah, Batman.
CIA.
CIA running. So me
Well,
I wonder
I mean,
if I somebody sit up here, what?
That
Sitting dog.
means that.
Me I try put 1 and 1 to 2 or me no see.
You mess up.
Who the make a call?
I say, I'm link if you boss him.
Make a call.
Zane,
Yeah, man.
I say, I'm
Say
just
party
keep your
here.
eye open. I hear
Yeah, man,
kind
bless
CIA, the fire, you know.
Me I
bro.
tell you, I whole world.
They must see we and they must make bosses what you get.
What the boss watching it too, you know.
You're right.
Probably somebody on the block are loose, you know.
Yeah, because
Somebody.
what you think I'm going to get grimy that, I'm glad I see you
Somebody.
still.
That's a
I'm
fact.
going to feel no negative energy at first.
You know that you're one family, you know, brother.
You're right.
You
Yeah.
understand? Alright,
Oh.
Jake. Be safe, watch your head back out there, you know.
Marika. What's up? Pinky sister, cousin here, man. You have to find out that it's a blood. You have to go on that. Hello, bossy. Marika, object, you know, my friend. You know, object there. Brad said, I know, see them running in Panama and take your goods. Just see Brad's all got that a good thing. You know, carry thing, my friend, come and lick him down from 4. You know. But yeah, man said that keep your eye open, come here, say I see I here, you know. And if they grab Brad's, them, and if them, you link pink, child link, because now your friend, and if them have pink and pink, they do information, well. But you know, I call link up. Let's see, pray.
In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. You are who you are, appreciate it.
What is song? Audio. Why you look like that?
It's the Bible. The Bible always talk about a man's heart and the kind of trust one man put in a woman determines the strength of his character. Right? A person's character is very important in this lifestyle. Who you are, what you're about, and all these things. So it can never be a situation where a person's character or a true identity I'm say true identity can define the next person based on, long and short is the truth will always set you free. Now, enough being said about that. I know you a long time, don't it?
Yeah, long time.
You know me long time, don't it?
Yeah, long time.
What have I done to you? What you feel like I deserve all of this?
Deserve what? What you talking about?
No, you have to understand, say a long time in the street. And when you're in the streets now, my time, when day turn into night, you know something wrong.
Alright, public. Come to me straightforward. Like, me can't bother with the go around and promoting. Like, you have me confused right now. Like, me not even know
Alright,
what's
stick a
going
pin.
on.
Let's
We just meet about 2 hours ago. What problem?
let's dissect this conversation. What you just said. You can't take it, go round, come round. Me can't take it neither. And me feel like my heart allow me to take it, go round, come round. See? Be honest to me. Are you a police?
Where you get that from?
Where I get that from?
Why you just ask me that question?
Alright, let's go around again. Since you want me to go around in a circle. You see? Things that are hidden I always reveal if you pay attention. It's like, you remember we used to play hide and seek when we were younger? And we count and we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Remember that statement there?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you doing this to me? You out of all the person then.
Probably.
Stop laughing. It's not laughing matter now. You out of all the person them wanna actually trust. You know, so them know what them do, cause 4 months ago, me getting some problem with the law. And from this me feel like them have a trace of thinking say me run certain operation and me end up when spend off some money, pay off for me to pay and get clear. No, them send you. Them send you. You're smiling. Is that it?
Like,
Them send
what
you.
talk about?
Them send you to forward and destroy me. See, I'm going to be honest with me right now. Me I give you one last chance. Tell me, Marika, are you a police?
Fine. I am Detective Spence.
Detective Spence. You see, when we're
I'm
talking
an undercover police.
undercover thing. Camera down.
Well,
Camera down.
Kamar, middle eye. Miss, like, Kamar, Miss sorry, but we really
You see you call me Kemar? That is not my street name. Because you know me for me. And you want to come in my life now and break down my organization because of what? Because I want a little tap on the shoulder, I want a little award. I want a little something say you have done a good job. Eh? You know why I'm in a killer right now? You know why I'm in a killer right now? Because me I want a little something in my heart for you. That's the reason why I'm in a do things right now. Yes, this a blood. This a blood.
No.
Yeah, me know you know because you're what? You're a detective and this is all you do, investigate. And you come around me. You come around me, Pinky, to get towards me. And all of this, you're right?
Listen.
You tell me this, you come here for me. You've been telling me. Because you always leave a little clue. A little thing. For a person, if they're smart enough, then can't catch on. You tell me 2 times, say, yes, you were here for me. How many things say I went for love?
No, but me
Step away. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't do that.
Kamar, me never struggle for true, but
Don't call me Timar.
when this,
Don't call me
when
Timar.
this
For
happen,
you,
me never have no choice. I'm really sorry.
you never have no choice.
I'm really sorry about the whole situation. I'm sorry. But it's just my job.
Take care of yourself. Feel safety. Come here, one gun point for you right this right now. See me empty?
Why would I do
I know your skill. I know your skill. I know you in a one, you know, like you have to be the top detective for them sending towards me. Do not touch me. Do not feel like I can
Just
step
listen
out.
to-
Make them know say if you touch me, squeeze the trigger.
You can't do that. I know you love me. Look for me. Hey, look here, yourself. I know you love me. I know you not make them do that to me. But me never want to do this. I force me get forced. I never have no choice because I'm a closest person to you to do this to me.
You ever wire upon you?
No, me don't
Leg
work
on my
with
shirt.
wire.
Leg on my shirt. And you say after this moment,
But me sorry.
The subscribe is free. The subscribe yet.